Well, now we're inside one of the Bosa locations, this one on Kootenay Drive. And Leeta, I got to tell you, there is something for everybody food-wise in, well, both the locations, but the one we're in now for sure.
This is definitely the superstore of food, and I'm going to talk to Victor. He was on our show already, telling us a little bit of the history of Bosa Foods, talking about all the amazing food you can find here, as well as they have kitchenware as well.
Yeah.
And you are going to try some amazing food that's available here.
Prepared just upstairs. We'll also wrap things up with some coffee and biscotti, but let's get right to this segment here at Bosa Foods.
Well, we're back here at the Bosa that I'm very familiar with. I've been shopping here for a long time. I know you opened this store in 2006.
Correct.
So that's a long time, but not really. It went like that.
Too fast.
Too fast. Well, Victor, what I've noticed about this store, and I think this section, we want to tell people a little bit about what Bosa's not. It is not, for one thing, an overpriced delicacy store.
No, absolutely not. You know, this location, again, opened in 2006 for distribution and retail flagship, but it's accessible. It's specialty products, quality at a value price.
Completely. You can come here, as you said, for all your Mediterranean needs.
Absolutely.
And plus more. I mean, some people think Bosa's just an Italian food outlet. No, there's Portuguese, there's everything you can imagine. And some of the things that I'm so excited about, as you can see, is every time I come here, there's somebody on your staff that they're so proud of their section. They know everything in that section.
Absolutely, and you know, that's part of the experience. You know, we want people to be able to come in, and if they're not sure about something, you know, one of our staff is more than happy to give them some advice on an olive oil or a tomato or what have you, so that their experience is a positive experience once they leave our facilities.
Right down to all the different salumis that you have. And I noticed, this is the first time today, because one of your lovely ladies showed me that you bring in pizza directly from Italy.
Right from Italy, authentic.
And your bread too, so you can really, Jim can really impress somebody, is like cooking up some great Italian bread in his own oven.
Absolutely.
And present it to guests.
Absolutely, whether you want to make it yourself, starting with the pizza dough, we have the double O flour, and if you're not so eager to do it yourself, we have other options for you. A great put in the oven, and you've got a fantastic product.
And so much more too. And I'm gluten-free, so there's lots here for me as well. It's fantastic. So just all together, it's value priced, highest quality, and so much selection. Basically, you are the superstore of Mediterranean food.
One-stop shop for your Mediterranean diet.
That's perfect. Great. All right. So what we're going to do now is, I think Jim's upstairs and seeing some of your products being put into action. He gets
Absolutely.
to taste those. Lucky him. So we're going to see what he's up to right now.
Perfect.
Well, thanks, Leeta and Victor. I'm upstairs. I got, draw the lucky straw with this one. I'm getting to watch Gina and Amaya cook some great food, which of course I will be sampling. I'm with Gina. Gina, you've been with the company a very long time. Tell us about your history with Bosa.
Okay, I came to work to Bosa 5 years ago.
Uh-huh.
And I'm an Italian lady. And today I prepared for you guys an Italian dish. It will be lasagna.
Lasagna. Okay, so you've got a lot of it done already, but what goes on top of the noodles here?
And this top of the noodle, I will put the bechamel.
Right.
And then I will put the bolognese sauce.
So you're going to put me to work a little bit too,
Yes,
huh?
yes.
You know, and Leeta was talking with Victor downstairs about the great products here. All the products are used from downstairs you're using here.
I do everything here, gnocchi, pasta, bolognese, I do tomato pasta, gnocchi with the white sauce Alfredo.
Right.
And some pasta with the chicken.
Right.
And all the salad we do.
Okay, and now I get to do this, right? This is my
So
big moment in the sun?
Yes, you put
All right.
the bolognese on top.
Bolognese on top. We'll get a lot of it there. Obviously, I need more, yeah.
Yes, you did.
Oh,
need
you
a
did
lot.
a lot more. Of course you need a lot more.
Yes.
It's Italian, you gotta do that. Okay, this is
Yeah,
just
this is a really Italian dish. And Bosa use all natural stuff.
That's right, of course, yes. And a lot of great food. I like to come in here all the time to get food that you've pre-prepared that's available in your cafe, right?
Yeah,
Which is
that's
wonderful.
it's all prepared from this kitchen.
Right, okay. People are starting to get an idea of how I operate in my kitchen. Okay, well, Gina's doing that. You keep going that. I'm going to go over to the other side of this duo and see, Amaya, what are you doing to help with this dish?
We're actually making something completely separate. It's the Fregola salad.
Okay.
So I already have everything prepared here, and I'm just mixing it all.
How long have you been with the company?
I've been here for 5.
Wow, the two of you, 5? Yeah, all right. Boy, I must like working here. And tell us about some of the ingredients you're putting in here. Again, all natural.
Everything from downstairs, everything you can purchase.
Right.
So we have the Fregola pasta, which I just cooked, and then our fresh basil, and then balsamic onions. And we also have sun-dried tomatoes.
Sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to do a little, I got the gloves on. It's all right.
And then as you're mixing, I'm gonna put in some seasoning.
Season right, again, everything from downstairs. Yes, okay. People at home and people that know me will go, you've never done this in your life, have you? You can tell, well, that's very sweet of you, actually. I'll let the professional take over. Okay, you keep going on that. Okay, Gina, so this is ready to go?
This is ready to go in the oven right now for 30 minutes. And then we'll take it out and we'll be ready for you guys to try.
Excellent. I love you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, goodness, that's so good. Back down on the main floor where Leeta kicked things off, and we're joined now by JP, who has got us a few more treats before we leave.
Yes, and right from your wonderful deli place, you've even got me some gluten-free treats, JP.
Yeah, you got your gluten-free Savoiardi. Jim's got his pistachio biscotti, and we're all gonna have, lattes and a double espresso.
Oh, you're being the real Italian there doing the espresso. We're being the wimps.
Another great time here at Bosa Foods. We're at their Kootenay Street location. We're going to check out their other location coming up in a segment later this year. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute.